आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभ कामनाएं அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய தீபாவளி வாழ்த்துக்கள். Friends, the whole country is celebrating the nation's biggest festival, Diwali. Diwali, we know the history behind Diwali. It is Ram, after his 14 years of life, along with Sita Dev and Lakshman in the forest, and they return to Ayodhya, and Diwali is nothing but the return of Ram to India's then capital Ayodhya and become the emperor of India. The point, the message of Diwali is so great, but we today, I think we have lost the direction what Diwali actually trying to convey. Basically, Diwali is nothing but the victory of divinity over evil. We used to hear the quotes of great personalities like Mahatma Gandhi or Gautam Buddha, but we don't talk much about the quotes of Ram. What Ram told to his stepmother Kaikeyi was, if I take up something, there won't be any looking back. What a powerful statement. If I take up something, there won't be any looking back. Ram is a man of determination. That is what that quote says. If he determined to do something, then come what may, no looking back. No looking back in the sense, we need to understand in such a way that he don't mind even giving his life for a cause. That is what Martin Luther King stated. He said, you have to identify one cause in your life for which you are willing to give your life. If you don't have a purpose of that kind in your life, you don't deserve to live in this world. Even Martin Luther King got inspired by the quote of Sri Ram. So, what I was trying to say, we are derailing. For us, Diwali is not the victory of divinity over evil. For us, Diwali is not carrying the message. If we take up something, we have to be so determined to win or accomplish the task, or we should even ready to sacrifice our physical life for that cause. That level of determination is Rama's famous quote, what he has told to his stepmother Kaikeyi. But are we carrying that message? That is the question. For us now, Diwali means bursting crackers, shopping. Do you think this is for these things Diwali stands for? Absolutely not. We are just in the periphery. We are not touching the soul of Diwali. If that is the case, Diwali will lose its soul. Diwali will lose its divine purpose. It will be like just a celebration. Then how long it will survive? How long that spiritual element will survive? A bouquet looks so beautiful, but do you think those flowers in that bouquet will have long life? Definitely not. If that flower stands in that plant, then only it will have long life. If once the roots are cut, it will look fresh, beautiful, only for few hours, maximum few days, not more. That is what is going to happen if we don't understand, or if we don't give weightage to the spiritual element of Diwali. See friends, we Vivahites, we have taken up a business. We should remember the quote of Rama. If I take up something, no looking back. Have you done justice to your Viva business? Do you have the same amount of determination what Rama had towards the course he had taken up? If not, you and me will not have any right to celebrate Diwali, dear friends. What is the enemy of determination? Enemy of determination is nothing but self-doubts, lack of self-confidence, unwillingness to do sacrifices. These all are the enemies of determination. From this, what we need to understand, all these elements are actually coming from evil. Victory of divinity over evil is nothing but your victory over all these elements coming out from your mind, the self-doubt, unwillingness to do sacrifice, etc., etc. Lack of self-confidence, confusions, etc. So, you have to win over those evils. Then you will have the determination. Determination comes from the divinity. So, who is Ram? What is the significance of Ram even today? Ram is an ideal man. Ideal man means perfect man. If Ram is an ideal man, if Ram is your idol, you have to become an ideal Vivahite. I mean an ideal distributor. If you are an ideal distributor, I will call you, you are a Karma Yogi. So you are the true follower of Ram and you carry the true essence of Diwali. Let me put it so simple, an ideal distributor has, or he only have the right to celebrate Diwali at its true sense. So, celebrate Diwali at its fullest with full eligibility as a Vivahite by being an ideal distributor. May God bless you all. Your friend and partner in success, Abhilash Thomas, signing off.